Some of us matured early because life showed us the worst part of the world at an early age. Some of us, we didn't get the luxury of time. We moved fast. Not because we wanted to, because life didn't give us a bloody choice. It showed us the worst parts early. The betrayal, the loss, the cruelty you can't unsee. And when you see all that, before you're ready, you stop being a child. Long before your time. You learn the hard way. Trust is rare. Peace is rented. And innocence, that's a bloody currency you can't ever